the color of the sapwood is grey and the heartwood is reddish. The wood is very, very scented, and it is used in house building, furniture, rafts, ships, boats, etc. And because of its insect repellent characteristic, it is used in many, many places. Apart from that, there are other trees which also give us timber, but apart from that, it is best that we stop here. And friends, if you need my help at any time, my email ID is written on the board for you, alpana.botany@gmail.com. I thank you all very much for this kind time that you have given. I thank KCG for this opportunity to talk to you, and I hope you have learnt a lot from my lecture about the plant fibers and some of the important timbers of India. Thank you. Namaste.
SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.